Hi friends, welcome to our channel ZEENA'S Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and of course don't miss the bell icon. Today we will make Instant Kaju Delight, which is very easy and quick recipe. Rakshabandan is an auspicious festival celebrated by brothers and sisters and is most awaited festival. Sisters wait for this day. This homemade instant Kaju Delight is the best way to express love for your brothers by preparing the sweet by yourself instead of buying from market. So let's quickly start preparing this healthy recipe for your lovely brothers.
For more recipes, please visit my website www.zeenapawar.com.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.